This is a garlic. Ah.
This is a clove of garlic.
This is a bread.
This is a slice of bread.
This is a corn.
This is a kernel of corn.
This is a grape.
This is a bunch of grapes.
This is a pizza.
This is a slice of pizza.
This is rice.
This is a grain of rice.
This is a lemon.
This is a wedge of lemon.
This is cheese. Oh.
This is a cube of cheese.
This is an orange.
This is a segment of an orange. I am whisking the yogurt. I am whisking the yogurt. I am making tea. I am making tea. I am frying the egg. I am frying the egg. I am eating breakfast. I am eating breakfast. I am seasoning the chicken. You ball. I am seasoning the chicken. I am kneading dough. I am kneading dough. I am peeling the potato. I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner. I am roasting the vegetables. I am roasting vegetables. Peter Thaba.
Excuse me, officer. I want to report something.
Yes, sir. What happened?
My money box is lost.
Oh, that's serious. Where did you lose it?
In my house.
In your house?
Yes.
Then why are you here?
Because I cannot find it there.
Did you check properly?
Yes. I checked under the bed, behind the chair, even inside the fridge.
Do you remember the last time you saw it?
Yes.
Where?
In my house.
Sir, we already know that.
That's why I came here. Maybe you know better.
All right, first go home and search again.
Okay, but if I find it, should I report again?
No, sir.
Grandma, you won't believe what happened today.
What happened, dear?
When Grandpa dropped me at school, a woman kept looking at him again and again.
And what was Grandpa doing?
He was looking back and smiling. What? So I went to her and said, "Don't look at my grandpa like that. He is married."
Oh, my goodness. What did she do?
She was shocked, and Grandpa just stood there laughing.
Oh, really? Your grandpa thinks he's still young,
Grandma, you need to keep an eye on him.
Don't worry, tonight he's getting a proper lecture.
Good, because he is married,
And I'll remind him who he belongs to.
Don't let him smile at strangers like that.
I think I should start dropping you to school myself.
Yes, please. Much safer.
But still, that was very brave of you.
Of course. I'm your granddaughter.
Which vegetable is this?
This is eggplant.
Which vegetable is this?
This is spinach.
Which vegetable is this?
This is a corn.
Which vegetable is this?
These are carrots.
Which vegetable is this?
This is cabbage. Cabbage.
Which vegetable is this?
This is asparagus.
Which vegetable is this?
There. This is lettuce.
Which vegetable is this?
This is broccoli.
What is this?
This is a ladyfinger.
It is raining. It is raining. It is hailing. It is hailing. It is very cold. It is very cold. It is snowing. It is snowing. It is foggy. It is foggy. It is drizzling. It is drizzling. It is very hot. It is very hot. It is windy. It is windy. I am digging the soil. I am digging the soil. I am mowing the lawn. I am mowing the lawn. I am raking leaves. I am raking leaves. I am pruning the bushes. I am pruning the bushes. I am planting seeds. I am planting seeds. I am picking flowers. I am picking flowers. I am sweeping the yard. I am sweeping the yard. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants.